Space is a dangerous place. Astronauts need special suits to walk outside their spacecraft. These suits protect them like a tiny spaceship. They keep astronauts safe from the cold and provide air to breathe. A spacewalk is when an astronaut leaves the spacecraft in a spacesuit. They float in space and do important jobs. Spacewalks are also called EVAs. EVA stands for Extravehicular Activity. Spacewalks help us learn more about space. They also help us keep the International Space Station working. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a big spacecraft where astronauts live and work. NASA is planning 2 spacewalks outside the ISS. The first one is called Spacewalk 91. It will happen on January 15, 2025. The second one is Spacewalk 92, scheduled for January 22, 2025. Both spacewalks will start in the morning, Eastern Time. They will last about 6 hours each. That's a long time to be working in space. During these spacewalks, astronauts will wear special suits with cameras. People on Earth can watch them work live. It's like a TV show from space. Spacewalk 91 has a big job, installing new solar panels. These panels will give the ISS more power from the sun. This is important because the ISS needs a lot of energy to work. For Spacewalk 92, astronauts will fix a robotic arm on the ISS. This arm helps move things around outside the space station. It's like a giant helper hand in space. 2 astronauts will go on each spacewalk. They train for months to get ready. They practice underwater to feel what it's like to move in space. You can watch Spacewalks 91 and 92 live on NASA TV. NASA will also share updates on social media. You can even ask questions using the hashtag #AskNASA. These spacewalks are exciting events. They remind us of the amazing things humans can do. Be sure to tune in and see the astronauts at work. You can even learn more about their mission and ask questions during live press conferences.